Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Cadillac CT5 Sport, featured an Evergreen Metallic with a black interior. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and ventilated front seats, UltraView sunroof, Brembo brakes, ambient lighting, an HD backup camera, head-up display, alloy pedals, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, memory seating, powered windows, powered mirrors, our trunk controls with some cup holder space below. Moving on inside, just to the left you'll find the powered park brake as well as the head-up display, and we can take a look at the steering wheel. To the left we have our cruise control with the heated steering wheel and forward collision alert. To the right we have our cluster as well as audio controls. We can turn the vehicle on and take a look at the infotainment system. Starting off with the radio, it comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We have turn-by-turn directions from OnStar, and it's also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We can throw it in reverse and take a look at the backup camera. Below that we have our climate control with heated and ventilated front seats for both driver and passenger, parking assist, hazard lights, and the lane keep assist. Wireless charging, we have our different driving modes as well as the auto on and off, infotainment system controls, 2 cup holders, and here's the center console. Opens up from the side. Up top is the rear view mirror with OnStar and SOS, 2 dome lights, and our sunroof controls. Here's the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, color matched mirror caps, and door handles with keyless entry, and we can make our way to the back here. We have CT5 and Cadillac badging, and to open up the back, all we gotta do is double click on the key fob. It's gonna pop open for us. We have a ton of storage space back here, as well as storage on either sides. And if we take a look below, there's some more hidden storage. Very spacious. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, powered windows, cup holder space below. Taking a look at the seats, we have a 60-40 seat split and we can hop inside. At the back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle we have our rear vents as well as a 12-volt plug-in and a USB-C. Up at the top you'll find handles paired with a dome light matched on the other side. And in the middle here we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. We get a great view of this UltraView sunroof. And here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2020 Cadillac CT5 Sport. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.